are going to continue our number 16 for the section C. Okay. Amir and Chan are two contestants who qualify for the final round in the exploration competition based on the concept of a reality television show. The diagram 16.1 shows straight line AB is parallel. When it comes to parallel, what can you understand? Yes, good. So you have know that's our gradient of AB going to be the same with our gradient with CD. So the gradient of AB equals to the gradient of CD. That's the important one. Why? Okay. We represent the path that Amir and Chan have to travel in the competition drawn on the Cartesian plane. Amir has to travel through the straight line AB, while Chan has to travel through the straight line CD. Okay. Given the equation of straight line AB traveled by Amir is 2y equals to 3x plus 8. The question: find the equation of the straight line CD traveled by Chan. Okay. So Chan, Mali Chan, y equals to mx plus c lah. That we are going to find the equation of the straight line. Am I right? Okay. Did we have our gradient?
Yeah.
What? Wrong. Okay. So over here, if you look, your gradient, your equation is going to be 2y equals to 3x plus 8. If you look just now, I just state the general form of our equation of straight line is going to be the coefficient of y is going to be positive 1. So make sure we are going to change first our coefficient of y into positive 1. So what happened over here? Divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. If your 2y over here you have negative, so you have to divide it by negative. Because we are going to have our y there, its coefficient is positive 1. So we are going to get over here y 3 over 2 x. This one we are going to get, yes, plus 4. Can? So you have what over here? The gradient is not going to be 3. The gradient of AB is going to be 3 over 2. Which means the gradient for CD also going to be the same. 3 over 2. Can? Okay. Now, we are not going to find our AB equation of straight line. We are going to find our CD. Okay. If you look over here, it's given what to you? Yeah. What's that?
Coordinate is the y.
Yes, this is going to be for our x and y. You are going to use that one. Okay. Yes, to find C. Because C over here for this one is going to be for this one. 4. You are not going to take 4 for our y-intercept over here for the equation of straight line AB. You are going to substitute there. Cannot. Why? It's going to be negative. Your y-intercept is going to be negative over here. Can? Okay. So, y is going to be negative 4. Substitute first. Equals to gradient. What do you have? 3 over 2. X, what do you have? 6. This is what we are going to find. C. Negative? 3, 3, 9. 9 bring to the other is going to be negative 13. C is equals to negative 13. So you know the y-intercept here is negative 13. Yes. Now to form our equation, make sure we are gonna Substitute only what? Gradient and also C. So you are going to have y equals to 3 over 2x minus 13. This is your equation of the straight line CD.
Saya sub, tapi si saya salah.
Mula dah ha. Okay. The marks that I'm going to give over here, first, if you give the gradient, this is going to be 1 marks. The second marks given over here, if you can state for your C, 1 marks. Alasa. And the final marks is going to be for your equation. Subs dah betul. Then how come you get wrong? Later. We look later. Any question?
No.
Sir recess. Okay, couple already. 1 recess. Okay, we go for our B here. Huh?
Okay, sir.
That's why I need to record because how many of you only right? It's not fair lah. Okay. While in the exploration competition, Amir and Chan have to go through several tasks in 2 different locations. Table 16 shows the number of tasks successfully completed by both of them in both locations. We have our location, first location, second location. Okay, each location offers a different amount of points for tasks successfully completed by them. Given that Amir managed to earn 30 points including 5 points.
35.
Including
40, sir. So 30 dah. 35.
25 lah.
Oh.
No, the marks here, Amir, going to have 30 marks means that including 5 marks. This one is going to be bonus. Bonus mark is 5. So, Amir mark is not 30. Amir mark is going to be 30 minus with 5. You're going to get 25. His actual mark. Many of you state either Amir equals to 30 marks or Amir equals to 35. Only some of you state Amir marks is going to be, Amir points here is going to be 25. Okay. For successfully completing the task in the fastest time, Chan received 38 points. Are there? 38 points. Without any bonus points. So we have our friend Chan over here straight away 38 points. Okay. Can? Okay. Without using the metric method. So you have another 3 more method. Elimination, substitution. Yalah, elimination, substitution, graph method. Graph. No one going to do the graph, right? Okay. So we are going to calculate the points award for each task carried out in the first location. So means that we're going to have over here first location how many marks is going to be given, and for the second location over here how many marks is going to be given over there. If you look over there, it's not our marks. It's going to be the number of tasks. This one, the number of tasks. Can? Okay. So, what you are going to have over here? Okay, I'm going to determine first for the first location is going to be X. For our second location, I'm going to state as Y. So, later, you're going to find for the first location how many marks is going to be. It's going to be award there. Okay, so we are going to have our equation. Okay, the first equation for Amir is going to be it. Amir 5x plus 3y, we are going to get 25 points. Right? So you're going to have your Amer equation is going to be, yes, 5x plus 3y equals to 25. That's going to be for Amer. Okay, how about Chan? You are going to get over here for Chan 4x plus 6y. Yes, we are going to get 38 points. So you're going to have over here 4x plus 6y equals to 38. Can? You have for this question, one correct equation, 1 marks given. Means that it's going to be 2 marks over here. Usually we are going to award you only 1 marks. Okay. So, how did we want to know which method we are going to prefer to use? You are going to eliminate or substitute?
Eliminate.
Yes. If for substitution, for my advice here, if you are using substitution, make sure your coefficient of either one of the variable is going to be positive 1. It's more easy. Okay, x plus y equals to something, okay, 35 or anything. You can have either x or y because the coefficient is going to be positive 1. But for here, we don't have any coefficient of 1, isn't it? So, it's what we call complicated. A little bit complicated lah if you want to use substitution. Okay, for the elimination, my advice here, we are going to look the simple one. Which one can we have the same coefficient?
Why?
Yes. If you look at x, you are going to have change. 5 times by 4, 4 times by 5. It's going to be different equation you are going to get. Okay? But if you look at our y here, if we want to eliminate y, means that the first equation only you are going to times by 2. So that we are going to have for our same with our second equation 6y over there. So means that we are going to get what for our third equation here? 10x plus 6y equals to 50. This is going to be from our first equation. Okay, it's more easy. It's more easy. Why? Because we can eliminate now our y. Right? Okay. So, to eliminate, of course, we are going to use minus.
3 minus 2.
You want to, okay, no problem. You said 3 minus 2, Okay. So, 3 minus with our second equation. Okay. So, 10 minus 4. Yes, we are going to get 6x. 6y minus 6y. Finish already. 50 minus with 38. 12. X is going to be equals to 2. 10. Now, we are going to do what? Yes, you can choose either equation 1, equation 2 or equation 3 by substituting our x equals to 2 into, which one you want to sub? 3. Okay, no problem. We are going to subs into our third equation. So you're going to get over there 10. Your x here is going to be 2 plus with 6y equals to 50. You bring 10 times 2 is going to be 20. You are going to get 6y equals to 30. So y here you are going to get 5. That's going to be your answer.
So kalau y dapat betul tak boleh?
Boleh?
Walaupun atas tu salah.
Cannot lah. Cannot. Wait. Boy, laju je. Okay. Rehat Oh. Okay. So we stop here first for the